Starlink offers an easy-to-set-up kit that gets you online in minutes. SpaceX just shared that Starlink offers you a kit that gets you online in minutes. This kit includes your Starlink, Wi-Fi router, cables, and base. There is no installer needed to connect to high-speed internet. Many people use a Starlink for internet on their mobile home or place of business. It costs $110 a month for download speeds of anywhere between 20 Mbps to 100 Mbps. If you were to compare this with other satellite internet plans, those range from around $60 to $160 a month for speeds anywhere between 12 Mbps to 150 Mbps. Starlink costs more than standard internet, however. This is likely worth it to someone who lives in an area that cannot get internet at all, and there are still billions of people on the planet in this situation. For instance, a village could get Starlink internet and have everyone hook up to it and pay for it as a village. I believe the price will go down over time as SpaceX takes advantage of economies of scale and gets more users on the Starlink network. Do you use Starlink? And if so, how do you like it?